Alright guys, so this is the video for today. This is my Sunber hair. I have everything linked for Sunber in the description bar below. Please do enjoy. I went and showed you guys, so I applied it, so I twisted everything I would normally do. But there's something I've never done with any of my wigs before that I did to this wig, and I can't wait for you guys to see it. It's pretty minor. I don't want to build it up for something for a letdown, but it's pretty minor. But I'm shocked that I didn't have to do it for this wig. So yeah. Alright guys, so this is what we're looking. What is it? This is what we're looking like. I have makeup. That's makeup. I have worked with Sunber before, and honey, oh, I'm so excited. Okay, that's what the wig is. So I'm just going to. Oh, I know this. Oh, lashes. Oh, I'm gonna get my lashes. Bam. So I have lashes. Let me see. I have one of these things that wig things wig comb. That's what else? What the info and a stocking cap. So I'm gonna go here right now, and I'm going to put on the stocking cap. It's a black stocking cap. I have worked with Sunber before. Okay, you guys. So this is what it's. This is the bag it comes in, and I believe this is 18 inches. Yeah. Oh, so it looks like this in the hairnet. Wow, wow, wow. You guys, taking this off, taking the net off to reveal the wig itself. So this is what the inside of the wig looks like. It's a lace frontal wig. Oh, at the sides. Oh, that's cute. Okay. And I have a comb there, comb, and we got an extra comb, which if you wanna, you can probably sew it at the front to adhere it some more, but that's not what I'm gonna do. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my scissors, and I'm going to be removing the lace from this bad boy. So I'm cutting as close as possible to the hairline. And this is some baby hairs. Not sure if you guys are seeing that. Those are shorter. So those are some baby hairs. Alright guys, so I'm actually going to be tweezing. And I started tweezing already. So right where the hair kind of dips in here. You see that? The hairline. If you guys are seeing that. But it dips in right here. I'm going to go ahead and tweeze there. I already did. So I'm going to tweeze a little bit because I already did. Then these baby hairs, the baby hairs, I'm going to hold it down and then tweeze behind the baby hairs. I'm going to take the lace and I'm going to put foundation on my lace. So this foundation is hazelnut and it is from Black Opal. So the foundation does stain, you guys. Well, the one that I use stains it. Even when I wash it, it's still stained. So you don't have to do this. You can bleach the knots if you want to. But if you just bought a wig and you know you need to be out the door like that same day, this is an amazing step that you can do. Alright. Alright, not bad. And this wig can actually fit my hair. Usually they don't. Like, it's too big. And wow, I did not adjust it at all. I'm just fitting it. Now this wig feels snug on my head. So I'm going to go ahead and it's going to bandeau. Or should I use the... Oh my god. I'm going to go ahead and put this back. Alright, now normally the ear tabs are really long, but this looks as if it's actually going to fit me for a change. So I'm just going to use my Got To Be Free spray and just spray on the inside. And I'm using the viewfinder, which is probably not what I should be doing because I need precision for this. I'm gonna go ahead and spray on the lace. Oh my god, the spray gets wet. Alright guys, so this is what we're looking like. The length, this is how long it is. Just finger combing this side so that it matches up to the other side. 18 inches. When stretched, of course, it's 18 inches, but left to its own devices is like 16 inch. So I am getting shedding, so just getting rid of that now. Finger combing it, and as I'm telling you guys, if you just want a wig that you throw on and to go through the door, then hands down, this is going to be your wig. This is going to be your wig. You just want to throw it on and go. This I love this. This length is nice. 18 inches. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Just glued it down a little bit. Nothing too dramatical. Just a little bit of gluage. A little bit of security. Oh, yes, please. Here. You're welcome.
Pretty girl.
Thank you. You're welcome, handsome boy. So I do have the fan on, blowing this way. So I'm gonna put the hair back over this way. Now I am going to be the first to say, wow, this is really light, and I'm beaming from ear to ear because this is legit. All we used is just this, and you know how I would normally adjust the back of my thing. Oh, I didn't cut the back lace. Yeah, I guys think that didn't cut the back lace. I forgot. So I would normally like adjust the back, the bra strap things, and I did not. I just put it on my wig, stuck it down with my got to be freeze spray, and yo, like, she is looking good, right? This is so nice, you guys. Really, really nice. Very light, manageable, and of course I'm getting preliminary shredding. That's what I like to call it, preliminary shredding, because remember I tweeze it, you know. When you tweeze, you loosen up that strand, and I've been tweezing like all over. I didn't get to comb out the hair, comb through the hair before I put it on. I just put it right on. So what I'm getting from it is like I'm pulling from here and I'm like ripping out, you know what I mean? Because it's coiled up, so you will get a fair amount of shedding, but not a lot. I love this. I love this Sunber. I love this. This is so nice. This is nice. I like this. So okay, so it is very light, hella manageable. If you're new to wigs, I would definitely say this would be the hair type for you. Definitely this is the hair type for you if you're new to wigs and you want something easy to work with. Yeah, definitely. Yeah. Nice and easy. I've always been a fan of this hair texture, like deep wave type hair, like this texture. Curly, deep wave. I love it. I just feel like it looks good on me. I feel like it fits my face, my frame, and it's flattering on me. So I think about it. But yeah, so this is the wig. 18 inches. It is very lightweight. I do have preliminary shedding, and I'll update you guys on my social media if there's any further shedding once I've washed the hair. So follow me on Instagram. What else? Shedding, light. Oh my god, I don't have anything bad to say. I hope you guys, I hope you don't mind that I have nothing bad to say about this hair. But shout out to Sunber. This is really nice, you guys. This is really nice. Look at that. And it's so light. This would be like 2 bundles and like a frontal, or like a bundle and a half and a frontal of like Malaysian hair, you know, because this is really light. Like, this hair texture is light. It's really light. It's really light, and I am not mad at it. And there's a mirror right across here. We can even look at the curls. And the wig comes layered. Wow. There's literally nothing else I can say. I really love how this looks on me. I am a sucker for this type of hair, for this hair type. Not too shabby, not too shabby. Just securing it, and because it's curly hair, you get away with it looking like this. Because it's curly hair, like you get a pass. Alright, so this is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Sunber, thank you so much for sending me this hair to review. I cannot wait for you guys. If you're going to get this, like, support Sunber, I really recommend getting this one, especially because Christmas will come now. Oh my god, I'll be things, I'll be your niceness. Anyway, this is it for this video, guys, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Oh, man.